Hey everybody, today I have a 2020 Acura ILX and I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. So this has push button, so you can do this with this thing off. So foot off the brake pedal, go ahead and push your start button twice. And we are going to be using these three buttons here on the steering wheel and this display right up here. So now we're going to go ahead and scroll up, and we're going to scroll up until we find vehicle settings, which is there, and then go ahead and press select reset. Then we're going to scroll up again until it says maintenance info, hit select. Maintenance reset, scroll up where it says reset, plus reset, reset completed. All right everybody, that's how you do a reset on a 2020 Acura ILX. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.